In Chapter 15 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, a significant turning point occurs that further solidifies the power and influence of Tyler Durden, the enigmatic and anarchic figure central to the narrative. The chapter unfolds with a confrontation between Tyler and a union representative from the movie theaters where Tyler has been working. This confrontation is triggered by the representative's intention to fire Tyler. However, Tyler, who has been mischievously splicing images of pornography into hundreds of movie reels, uses this as leverage. With no feasible way to identify and remove the tampered films without massive embarrassment and scandal, the union representative finds himself at Tyler's mercy. Tyler cunningly exploits this situation by blackmailing the representative. He makes it clear that he could expose the altered films to the public, thereby tarnishing the theater's reputations irreparably. Although the union representative responds by physically assaulting Tyler, this act of violence does not deter Tyler. He remains unfazed, understanding that he has nothing to lose, which in turn forces the representative to relent. As a result, Tyler secures a continuous flow of paychecks from the theaters without the need to show up for work. Parallel to Tyler's confrontation, the narrator engages in a similar act of calculated manipulation at the hotel where he and Tyler are employed. The narrator informs the hotel manager of his deliberate sabotage of the food served at the hotel. He threatens to make his actions public, potentially devastating the hotel's reputation. In an act of calculated madness, the narrator proceeds to brutally beat himself up in the manager's office, staging it as if he was assaulted. This gruesome display, combined with the threat of public exposure, compels the hotel manager to acquiesce to his demands. Consequently, both Tyler and the narrator manage to secure a steady income from the theaters and the hotel, freeing them from the constraints of conventional employment. This newfound freedom and financial support fuel the expansion of their underground venture, the fight clubs. From the initial 7 clubs, the movement grows exponentially, reaching 15 and then 23 clubs. Driven by Tyler's ambition, and now unfettered by the need to work traditional jobs, they set their sights on establishing more fight clubs, thereby spreading their anarchistic philosophy even further. The chapter captures the escalating influence of Tyler and the narrator, showcasing their cunning, audacity, and contempt for societal norms. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment to help out the Bookly Crash Course channel.